The 2004 Ford Excursion. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 10-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a front bench seat, front and rear air conditioning, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.